Hello everyone. I, Dr. Pooja Chawla, Professor at ISF College of Pharmacy, Moga, welcome you all for the dialogue series conducted by IQAC ISFCP. So today the speaker with us is Dr. Manju Pandey, and I take the opportunity to introduce Dr. Pandey. Currently she is working as Professor and Director, Institute of Pharmacy, Shri Ramswaroop Memorial University, Lucknow. She has got a vast experience, and her subject and field of research expertise are pharmaceutical dosage forms, herbal drug formulation and evaluation, standardization of herbal drugs, formulation and evaluation of nanosuspension. She has more than 18 years of rich experience in teaching and research. She has been a NAC coordinator of Criteria 6. She has authored 4 book chapters of reputed publications. Moreover, Dr. Pandey has published several books. She is having 6 patents to her credit. Dr. Manju is associated as an reviewer for many research and review articles of journals of repute. She has published many research and review articles in various international and national peer-reviewed journals. She is a member of Academic Council and Executive Council at SRMU Lucknow, member of Cell of Center for Herbal and Aromatic Products, SRMU Lucknow, lifetime member of Association of Pharmaceutical Teachers India, external examiner of MPharm thesis of various universities. Dr. Pandey has guided more than 50 MPharm dissertation as a supervisor, and she is currently supervising 8 PhD research scholars. She has attended many national and international conferences as a resource person, organizing committee member, etc. She's got several recognition awards like Best Teacher Award in Antarashtriya Samrastra Manch in Jaipur, Nirali's Pharma Recognition Award in New Delhi, Eminent Teacher Award in National Conference in Shobit University, and many more to her credit. So without taking much time, I welcome Dr. Manju Pandey on behalf of entire ISFCP family, and I'm really indebted to her that she has accepted my invitation on such a short notice. And I understand that despite being a director, she has got so many reservations as well as her appointments there. So thank you so much, Dr. Pandey, for being with us today. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. And good afternoon to all. And I am Dr. Manju Pandey, Professor and Director of IOP, SRMU. And thank you very much for inviting me to speak in this opening panel. And it's a great honor for me. And I would like to thanks to Shri Parveen Garg, who is the chairman of ISFCP. Thanks to Dr. G.D. Gupta sir. Thanks to Dr. R.K. Narayan sir, and thanks to Dr. Pooja Chawla ma'am. And now I would like to share my slides for further presentation.
Ma'am, click on the present screen.
Yeah.
Present now.
It's visible?
Yes, ma'am, it is perfectly visible. Yes.
Okay. So today's topic is Nutraceutical, the confluence of food, pharma, Ayurveda, and tech under the aegis of IQAC-IIC. And these are the contents which we covered in this presentation. Now, as we know that the Hippocrates said that let thy food be the medicine and medicine by the food. And there are so many civilizations which already provide a lot of evidences to prove this. And in the Ayurveda, the 5,000-year-old health sciences have also mentioned the benefits of the food for the therapeutic purposes. So I think nearly 2/3 of the world's 6.1 billion people also relying on the healing power of the plant-based material, or so for so many reasons that is it may be availability, it may be affordability. Obviously, there is so many safety features and less side effects, or their belief in the traditional cures. So medical benefits of the food have been also explored for thousands of years, and many जो हमारे nutraceutical industry began to develop during the 1980s in the Japan. So, what is nutraceutical? Nutraceutical is basically two terms. It is a combination of two terms, nutrition and pharmaceutical. When the nutrition convert in the doses form, it will become the nutraceutical. So, it is the term commonly used for so many we can synonymously used for the designer foods, for the health foods, for the medi foods, for the vita foods, and so on. So this is the term first coined by the Dr. Stephen DeFries, who is the founder and chairman of the Foundation for the Innovation in the Medicine, USA. And the industry was established at Rutgers. So the definition of nutraceutical is it is any substance which is a food or a part of food, and in addition to its additional nutritional value, which provides the benefit. It may be prevention of disease or a promotion of the health, and so we can say that any non-toxic food component that is scientifically proven health benefits, it will covered under the nutraceutical. And the SOP of nutraceutical must cover the GMP, must follow the GMP. And these are the some groups of the nutraceutical, like allium compounds, antioxidant, as we all know that the digestive stimulants, prebiotic, probiotic, flavonoids, microflora, phytoestrogens. This is a slide showing the global market of this nutraceutical. Nearly two-thirds of the American and almost 50% of the Japanese consume at least one type of the nutraceutical annually. And it is slightly higher in the Europe, and the industry accounting to 60 billion annual food sales in the Japan. And what is the scenario of our nation? Indian market obviously growing almost 25% per year in the field of nutraceutical, and as we know that the MV is the highest market share, and over the 15 to 20%, and Dabur, Ranbaxy, Pfizer, these are the other companies, major companies. So we foster the health from the Johnson Johnson, Novartis, Abbott, Himalayas, Dabur, Chyawanprash, जैसे हम लोगों ने हमेशा से खाते आए हैं, झंडू फार्मास्यूटिकल्स, सिप्ला, रेनबैक्सी. सबसे पहले हमारे दिमाग में आता है कि आर दे सेफ ये न्यूट्रास्यूटिकल, क्योंकि बिकॉज देयर आर सो मेनी रेगुलेशंस, रेगुलेटरी बॉडीज जहाँ पे हमको इनका एक परमिशन लेना होता है, तो आर दे सेफ. We should consider these points, like optimal doses of many yet to be discovered. अभी भी बहुत सारे ऐसे हमारे components हैं which are yet to be discovered for the safety reasons. Like clinical trial, we have to go for the clinical trials. Like animal studies reveal that some phytochemicals known for the cancer prevention is also carcinogenic at higher concentration. So additional research obviously necessary for the health benefits. And the crude crude form of the drug is less harmful than the total extract and then the isolated component. So we can go for the further trials, further regulatory bodies for this approval. And these are the label indicators of the quality. Like it must showing the scientific name, it must show the plant part, which plant part is used, or the manufacturer's name, their address, their batch number, lot number, and date of manufacturing, date of expiry. Or it may be possible that we should use almost all the equipment, all the ingredients which we used in the formulation, and is they follow the GMP or not. So this slide is showing the bridging between the food and medicine. Some commonly used nutraceuticals are turmeric, as we मतलब हम सभी लोग बहुत अच्छे से जानते हैं कि curcuminoids, which are among the most well researched phytonutrients, are found in the turmeric, and the data indicates that the curcuminoids have the powerful antioxidant action, which can help in the cancer also. And curcuminoids also offer the body support in the anti-inflammatory function as well as the circulatory and immune system. It also three times it has a three times more powerful than polysaccharides oligomers. These are the lycopene which found in the tomatoes. Its effect in the cancer, digestive tract, bladder, skin, lungs, breast, cervical. It also helps in the cardiovascular diseases. It also helps in the asthma. And the nutraceutical found in the orange are tangretine and noveltine, along with the hesperidine and limonene. These are the few nutraceuticals. And when we talk about the food as a nutraceutical, we can divide into four different parts. Like first one is the antioxidant, second reason is the polyunsaturated fatty acids, third one is the probiotic and prebiotic, fourth one is the dietary fibers. So we can go for the antioxidants. Antioxidant, these are the superheroes and supervillains of the circulatory system. Like this is the superhero, and antioxidant kick out the free radicals. And so how can it works? This is the antioxidant and this is the free radical, and by means of electron donation we can neutralize this free radical, and so the compound retarding or preventing the oxidation, and it prolongs the life of the oxidizable meat. And it is present in the glutathione and its precursors in vitamin E, iron and selenium. हाउ डू फ्री रेडिकल फॉर्म? ये कहाँ से? बाई एक्सपोजर, व्हेन वी एक्सपोज इन द सन, by means of ultraviolet rays, by means of pollution. Stress is also a major cause for this free radical, and poor nutrition. So these free radicals damage the cells or destroy the cell, and this antioxidant protects these cells from these free radicals. This is the slide showing the antioxidant doing their job. The antioxidant scavenge all the free radicals and protect the cell. Second reason is the polyunsaturated fatty acids. These are found in the vegetable oil, in the animal oil, and they reduce the cholesterol formation and reduce the thromboxane formulation, and found in the flaxseed and canola. These animal oils are found in the cod liver oil, salmon oil. And when we talk about the bacteria, we know that there are two types of bacteria: good bacteria and bad bacteria. And these are the friendly bacteria which protect our health, and these are the unfriendly or bad bacteria, like pathogenic bacteria or different fungus, by which we can mm, these are the probiotics and prebiotics. Probiotics are the living microorganism taken with or without food, and these improve the intestinal microbial balance, which help in the functioning of the large intestine, and present in the sour milk and yogurt, like lactobacillus, acidobacillus. These are the resources of the probiotics which we are found in the milk or milk products. These are the prebiotics. Prebiotics are the nutraceutical which promote the flourishing of the probiotics. Food substances which reaches the colon in the intact form, and it is mainly found in the inulin, in the chicory. Third one is the dietary fibers. Fourth one is the dietary fibers, which are used and firstly increase the bulk of the feces, and help in the constipation also. Normalize its function is the normalize the transit time. So what are the advantages of the nutraceuticals? As we know that it improves the health, delay the aging, which is the basic requirement of all the person nowadays, and increase the expectancy, improve life, and reduce the side effects with desirable outcomes, and holistic approach. There are certain limitations of the nutraceuticals, like It is not subjected to same testing and regulation as a pharmaceuticals. And there are 4 clinical trials which जहाँ पे हम बात करते हैं न्यूट्रास्यूटिकल्स की तो अभी हमारे पास उतने फेजेस हम लोगों ने नहीं उसको वो करें कि जहाँ पे हम उस रेगुलेटरी जो हमारे पैरामीटर्स हैं उनको हम फुलफिल कर पाएँ. Majority not regulated by the FDA in USA. Companies creating the unregulated products to create a wide profit margin. क्योंकि मार्जिन हमारे पास हमने आइसोलेट करा, एक्सट्रैक्ट निकाला, आइसोलेट करा और हमने उसको एक फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट कर दिया जहाँ पे हम उसको चाहे लिक्विड डोजेस फॉर्म की बात करें या और भी किसी डोजेस फॉर्म करें तो बहुत हम अच्छा प्रॉफिट मार्जिन पे उसको हम सेल कर देते हैं. तो वहाँ पे हम उसको फॉलो नहीं करते हैं. जो हमारे SOPs हैं, जो हमारे GMP के हैं या FDA रेगुलेशंस को हम नहीं फॉलो करते हैं. And bioavailability of the nutrients is always lower than the chemical compounds, and there are no regulatory definitions and effect may be attributed to that of the placebo. These are the some amazing facts which we all we must know, that if we are a northern European ancestry you can probably digest the milk, and you for the Southeast Asian you probably can't. And in the most famous genes for the lactose tolerance features of once an animal is weaned. And Iceland's largest dairy company has introduced world first milk to lower the blood pressure. These are the amazing facts which मुझे लग रहा था कि जो यहाँ पे हमको प्रेजेंट करना चाहिए. Now we talk about the functional foods. These are the terms which normally used as a nutraceutical. These are the closely related, but हम इसको nutraceutical पे नहीं कह सकते. Foods, these are the food, not drugs, having no therapeutic effects. And concept introduced. This is the concept introduced first time in Japan, 1991, and legally defined as the foods for specified health uses. That is the FOSHU. FOSHU expected to have specific health benefits. इसमें हम क्या करते हैं कि मोनली हम जो हमें जिससे एलर्जी होती है उन एलर्जेंस को हम रिमूव करते हैं. एडिशन और रिमूवल ऑफ द साइंटिफिकली इवेल्युएटेड, उनको जो हमने करा वो सारी हम टेस्टिंग करते हैं कि हाँ ये हमारा अभी जो एलर्जन है वो हमारे कोई डिजीज तो नहीं कॉज कर रहे हैं जिसकी वजह से जो है हेल्थ हमारी इफेक्ट हो रही है. एंड परमिशन ग्रांटेड टू मेक द क्लेम्स रिगार्डिंग द बेनिफिशियल हेल्थ इफेक्ट्स. अगर हम डिफरेंट व्यूज की बात करें तो कैनेडियन के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से देखें तो फंक्शनल फूड सिमिलर इन अपीयरेंस टू कन्वेंशनल फूड कंज्यूम्ड एज अ पार्ट ऑफ यूजुअल डाइट. हम इसको जैसे हम नॉर्मल हम अपना खाना लेते हैं उसी के फॉर्म में लेते हैं, बट उनको कहना ये है कि दीज आर द फंक्शनल फूड्स जहाँ पे हमारे हम अपने हेल्थ को एक बेटरमेंट की तरफ ले जाते हैं, वेल बींग की तरफ लेके जाते हैं, जहाँ पे हमारा ट्रीटमेंट एंड उसके क्योरनेस के लिए नहीं बात कर रहे हैं. एंड वेयर इज द न्यूट्रास्यूटिकल प्रोडक्ट प्रोड्यूस फ्रॉम द फूड बट सोल्ड इन द पिल्स, पाउडर्स एंड मेडिकल वॉट एवर द जो भी हमारे डोजेस फॉर्म है, नॉट जनरली एसोसिएटेड विद द फूड. In the British version, we can say that the food with a component incorporated in it, and it gives a specific medical or physiological benefits. And so there are a contraindication between these two terms. Functional food is essentially a food, and nutraceutical is an isolated or concentrated form of that food. So a medical food, there is another term, medical food. Food formulated to be consumed or administered orally under the supervision of a physician. जहाँ पे हम एक हॉस्पिटल में या कहीं पे ऐसे जहाँ पे एडमिट होते हैं और उनकी सुपरविजन में हम जो फूड लेते हैं, दीज आर कॉल्ड मेडिकल फूड, इंटेंडेड फॉर द स्पेसिफिक डाइटरी मैनेजमेंट ऑफ अ डिजीज, also in condition of distinctive nutritional requirements based on the recognized scientific principles. Next term is the dietary supplement. Dietary supplement is a product that is intended to supplement the diet, like several hormones या मेलेटोनिन. ये हम जहाँ पे यूज करते हैं एज अ सप्लीमेंट हम यूज करते हैं, इसे हम कहते हैं डाइटरी सप्लीमेंट. एंड इट शुड कंटेन एनी ऑफ लाइक विटामिन, मिनरल, एनी हर्ब, एनी बोटेनिकल, एनी अमीनो एसिड या कॉन्सेंट्रेट है या कोई भी एक्सट्रैक्ट है हमारा, वो हम जहाँ पे हम उसको as a dietary supplement use कर सकते हैं. We can say that it's a dietary supplement. It may be intended to for ingestion in a pills, capsule, tablet, powder or liquid form, and it not be represented for use as a conventional food, जो हमने पहले भी जहाँ पे बताया था, as the sole item of a meal or diet, and it must be labeled as a dietary supplement. There must be represented as a dietary supplement. And next is the pharmaceutical. In spite of PHA, there is a FAR. FAR means blending of words farm and pharmaceuticals, and these are the medically valuable compounds from modified agricultural जो crops हैं या animals हैं, वहाँ से हम बनाते हैं इन्हें, और ये बायोटेक्नोलॉजिकली हमारे मेथड से जहाँ पे हम इनको चेंज करते हैं, वहाँ पे हम इनका यूज करते हैं कि फार्मास्यूटिकल्स. Next is the cosmeceuticals. Cosmeceuticals represent the marriage of the cosmetics and pharmaceuticals, and these are the cosmetic products with biologically active ingredients having the medical or drug-like benefits. Like anti-aging cream, there are so many anti-aging cream present in the market, and these comes under the cosmeceuticals. Next one is the aquaceuticals. Aquaceuticals means found in the soft drinks. So, what are the niche for the pharmaceuticals? People believing more in prevention than the cure. हम सब लोग ये चाहते हैं कि हमको कभी कोई दवा ना लेनी पड़े, and by means of diet or whatever जो हमारे diet है या हमारा जो food है या food parts है, उनको ही use करके हम चाहे internally बात करें या externally बात करें, हम अभी मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि आज की डेट में अगर किसी को कहें कि ये कॉस्मेटिक यूज करके आप स्किन को मॉइस्चराइज कर सकते हैं, और ये एलोवेरा जेल है जो हमारा एक्सट्रैक्ट के फॉर्म में निकला हुआ है और वहाँ पे हम मॉइस्चराइज कर सकते हैं, तो वो बेटर हम ऑप्शन चूज करेंगे एलोवेरा जेल को. तो एलोवेरा जेल यही चीज़ है कि जो हम जहाँ पे हम बिलीव कर रहे हैं कि प्रिवेंशन देन क्योर. People having chronic diseases and have found no solution in allopathic medicine. बहुत सारी ऐसी diseases हैं जहाँ पे हम देखते हैं कि allopathic medicine में हमारा वो treatment या बहुत ऐसा पॉइंट पे आके जहाँ पे वो जैम हो गया है कि अब उसके बेटरमेंट के लिए कुछ नहीं हो पा रहा है. देन हम कहाँ पे जाते हैं, हमारा एक बिलीव बनता है कि प्लांट और प्लांट पार्ट्स जो हमारे आयुर्वेदा में अभी हम आगे की स्लाइड में दिखाएंगे, तो उसको हम ऑप्ट करते हैं जहाँ पे हम एक बेटरमेंट की तरफ जाते हैं. पीडियाट्रिक एंड जेनेटिक. आज भी हम अपने घर में अगर हमें लगता है कि बच्चे के पेट में दर्द है तो हम हींग को ऑप्ट करते हैं कि गैस अगर बन रही है तो हम हींग को. तो हम जो हमारे बच्चे हैं पीडियाट्रिक में या जेनेटिक पेशेंट्स में, स्टिल वी गो फॉर द न्यूट्रास्यूटिकल, या हम अगर बात करें फूड या फूड पार्ट्स की तो हम उसको ऑप्ट करते हैं. एंड इकोनॉमिकली चैलेंज पेशेंट, ऑब्वियसली जहाँ पे हम एक एलोपैथिक की एक हैवी अमाउंट जहाँ पे हमको पे करना पड़ता है, और हमारे घर में या नियर बाई में जो हमारे प्लांट पार्ट्स हैं और उनको यूज़ करके करते हैं, तो बेटर हमारे लिए ऑप्शन होता है अगर हम इकोनॉमिकली पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से बात करें तो वो प्लांट या प्लांट पार्ट्स को या फूड पार्ट्स. So there are these are few regulatory bodies, foods for the which look after the nutraceutical products, like foods for the specified health issues, joint health claims initiatives, codex, functional food sciences in Europe, food safety and standard act. Like nutraceutical in Ayurveda, जब हम बात करते हैं आयुर्वेदा की तो बहुत सारा हमारा खजाना जो छुपा रखा है हमारे वेल बीइंग के लिए, चाहे वो मेंटली बात करें, चाहे हम फिजिकली बात करें, चाहे हम योगा की बात करें, वो सब कुछ हमारा आयुर्वेदा में है. So although the concept of nutraceutical is gaining more popularity nowadays, but its root can be traced in the ancient Indian system of the medicine. So the concept of ajashic rasayana, जो जनरल हम जहाँ रेजोनेट करते हैं, deals with the food products and that can be consumed daily for improving the quality of the life by offering the protection from the external and internal stressors. So commonly used nutraceutical in Ayurveda is, हम सब लोग जानते हैं च्यवनप्राश, हम सब लोगों ने खाया हुआ है, ब्रह्मा रसायन, फलाघृता, अर्जुन केसरी पाका, शतावरी घृता and rasona sipaka. So ahara and ayushadha. Ahara means ahar, हम जो खाना खाते हैं, and ayushadha यानी जो medicine. So in classic, food is considered to be rasapradha, whereas ayushadha drug is viraprada. सो प्राइमरी मेटाबोलाइट्स जितने भी हमारे होते हैं, जो भी हमारे प्राइमरी मेटाबोलाइट्स होते हैं, लाइक जितने भी कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स हैं, आर द मेजर इंग्रेडिएंट्स इन द फूड. इन आयसदा हमारे जितने भी सेकेंडरी मेटाबोलाइट्स होते हैं, ऑल लाइक अल्कोलाइड्स एज सीन इन द ग्रेटर अमाउंट्स. तो हमारा प्राइमरी मेटाबोलाइट्स हो गया फूड यानी आहार, एंड सेकेंडरी मेटाबोलाइट्स जो हमारे मेडिसिन में यूज होते हैं लाइक अल्कोलाइड्स, वो हमारे सेकेंडरी मेटाबोलाइट्स होते हैं जो कि हमारे ग्रेटर अमाउंट्स में पाए जाते हैं. इनुलिन इन पुष्करमुला जो हमारा फर्स्ट मेटाबोलाइट इज यूज एज अ फूड, एंड एक्टिव प्रिंसिपल कॉल्ड द triterpenoids, which is the secondary metabolite, is made used as a drug. So isolated principle and extract are to be consumed only in small quantities, but crude or raw drugs are needed in greater amounts. जो भी हमको हमारी हमको अगर एक सेब अगर हमको एक उसका हमने कोई एक एप्पल लिया और उसको खाना है, उसका हमको कंटेंट हमको निकाल के, तो वो अगर हम एक टैबलेट की फॉर्म में या कैप्सूल की फॉर्म में ले रहे हैं, तो हमको उसका एक्सट्रैक्ट हमको बहुत 5 एप्पल का हमको एक में मिल रहा है, और जबकि अगर हम रॉ मटेरियल में लेंगे तो ऑब्वियसली हमको बहुत सारे 5 एप्पल एक साथ खाने पड़ेंगे, जो कि मुझे लगता है कि पॉसिबल नहीं है किसी भी आदमी के लिए एक साथ खाना. The level at which an ahara become preventive or curative, that is in Aushadha, depend on a lot of factors like the properties and the qualities of the ahara used. प्रकृति, जो भी हमारा प्रकृति जो सारा या दोष है, जो भी हमारी बीमारी है, उन सारी चीज़ों को अगर हम इंडिविजुअलाइज करेंगे तब जाके हम उसको कोरिलेट कर पाएंगे, क्योंकि इट डिपेंड्स ऑन द सो मेनी फैक्टर्स. So there are no good or bad food, but there are good or bad diet. It's all about the diet, and I think we must choose and smart diet, जिससे कि हम स्मार्ट रह सकें और गुड लुकिंग रहें. अपने जितने भी फ्री रेडिकल्स हैं उनको हम रिमूव करें, एंड कोई मेडिसिन लेने की जरूरत ना पड़े. It's all about today's presentation.
थैंक यू सो मच डॉक्टर मंजू. मेरा मन कर रहा था कि प्रेजेंटेशन बंद ही ना हो, क्योंकि एज वी आर ऑल बाउंड विद द टाइम कंस्ट्रेंट्स, it was a wonderful presentation, and many of the concepts have been cleared. And I must say that this topic of your presentation, it is not only for pharma students or pharma teachers. It can be useful for any person who wants to know about the all these nutraceuticals, because बहुत ज़्यादा टर्म आजकल मशहूर है. न्यूट्रास्यूटिकल्स पे जाओ, इस पे ध्यान दो, ये करो, फ्री रेडिकल्स क्या हैं और एंटीऑक्सीडेंट्स क्या हैं, एंड स्पेसिफिकली व्हेन वी गो फॉर द एडवर्टाइजमेंट्स like in case of cosmetics. So thank you so much, ma'am, that you have spared time for us. Thanks a lot. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you.